transforming note-taking with AI.
These AI note-taking apps are changing how students and professionals capture information. These smart tools listen, transcribe spoken words in real time, and even summarize key points from classes or meetings. With less time spent scribbling notes, users can focus on listening and participation. Let's explore how AI makes note-taking more efficient and which apps stand out for these tasks.
How AI note-taking apps work?
Modern AI note-taking apps use advanced speech recognition to turn audio into clear, searchable text. They identify speakers, highlight important topics, and condense long discussions into concise summaries. Some tools even add timestamps and automatically organize notes, making it easier to review or share with classmates and colleagues.
Top AI apps for students.
Otter.ai is popular among students for its accurate, real-time transcription and automatic summaries of lectures. Notion offers AI-powered note generation and organization, ideal for managing coursework. Evernote has introduced AI features to extract important information from class audio. These tools help students stay organized and review content efficiently.
Best apps for professional meetings.
Microsoft Teams and Zoom now integrate AI live transcription, ideal for business meetings. Fireflies.ai records, transcribes, and highlights action items automatically. Sonix and RevMax offer accurate transcriptions and easy sharing options, ensuring nothing important is missed during fast-paced discussions.
Tips for effective AI-driven note-taking.
For best results, use a high-quality microphone and minimize background noise. Always review the AI-generated summaries for accuracy. Most apps allow editing and custom highlights. Use these features to personalize your notes. Finally, ensure your app complies with privacy and consent guidelines before recording meetings or classes.
AI note-taking, the future of learning.
By automating the transcription and summarization process, AI note-taking apps give students and professionals more time to focus on what matters: learning and collaboration. As these tools continue to improve, they will become an essential part of classrooms and workplaces, making note-taking smarter and more accessible for everyone.